Instant cash. Advance apps usually don't send money directly from their own systems. They rely on real-time payment networks and debit card transfers to move funds quickly. By the end, you'll understand how instant deposits actually work, which types of cash advance apps support them, and what can slow down or block instant transfers. Cash advance apps that offer instant deposits usually require a linked debit card, instead of a traditional bank transfer. That's because debit card networks can process payments faster than standard bank-to-bank transfers, which often take longer to clear. Now explain what instant really means. Instant doesn't always mean immediate in every situation. It means the transfer is processed through a faster payment method, but availability still depends on your bank. Now explain eligibility. Not every user qualifies for instant deposits, because apps usually require a supported debit card and a verified account before enabling faster transfers. Now, explain how apps decide speed. The system checks your account status, payment history, and linked card compatibility before deciding whether your transfer can be sent instantly or delayed. Now explain common limitation. Some banks process instant transfers slower than others, which means the same app can feel fast for one user and slower for another. Now explain setup importance. A properly linked debit card is the most important requirement, because without it, most apps default to standard transfer speeds instead of instant delivery. Now, explain misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is thinking instant deposit is guaranteed, but it actually depends on both the app's payment system and your bank's processing ability. Now explain reliability factor. Users with stable account history and consistent app usage are more likely to get reliable instant transfer access over time. Now, simplify it. Instant cash advance. Deposits depend on fast payment rails, but approval and speed still depend on your account, setup, and bank compatibility. Here's the simple breakdown. Instant transfers work when your debit card and bank are supported, but actual speed depends on verification status, account history, and how your bank handles incoming payments. Do this next. Link a supported debit card, complete full account verification, and avoid switching banks or cards frequently to keep instant access available. If everything is set up correctly, instant deposits usually work consistently. If not, the issue is almost always card compatibility or bank processing delays.